In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the search tool to locate zip codes on your map. And to do that, you simply click here on the Find Zip Code button, and it will open up a search box. Now you simply type in the zip code you want to search for. And as soon as you type in that zip code, the map will zoom into the area where that zip code actually is, and it will outline it in a red color. So let's try that again, and let's zoom out. And let's do another one. And instead of clicking on the Find Zip Code button, you can also type in CTRL F on your keyboard to pull up that same search box. Now let's type in a different zip code. And as soon as you type it all the way in, it will zoom into that zip code, and you can see 32817 is right here. And as I zoom out, you can see exactly where that zip code is. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the Find Zip Code tool.